friends. This is about the automatic needle threader in the Singer domestic machine. This is a Singer Talon 3321. So I have threaded the machine till this point. Now I'm going to use the automatic threader. So for that I pull down the automatic threader lever, and now I take the thread through here and take it like this. So make sure that this needle and this screws are almost aligned, so that is when you get the threading. So this is what it is. So now your thread here is as close as to the hole, and what we do is we give a we slowly move this backward and then release this lever so that the needle gets threaded. I'll show you. So like this, see, so you move it a little back and then release it, and if you just release it, it is in a locked position. So now you take out the thread. So this is how you thread a Singer 3321. I think the tool will be similar for all others. Let me show you once again. So this requires some practice, and make sure that when you pull out the thread from here, you don't hurt your fingers, because this needle can give you some hurt. So again, adjust the pinwheel so that it is aligned like this. Pull this down. See, if you see here, this is like a lock. It's almost like a locked position. So hold it like this and thread it like this. Now you make and see when you do it in a proper momentum, you get a bigger needle, a bigger thread which goes through the hole, and you can thread your needle so easily. So this is how it is. Thank you for watching.